Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to add a category menu to your Wix website. Here's how to do it. Make sure you are using a Wix template that supports blog or product categories. This won't work on simple portfolio templates. From your Wix dashboard, scroll down and click on here blog and categories. Here's the blog and click categories. After that, you will see a page like this and click on new category. And here you can add your new category, you can rename it, and you can even add images, and you can also add a description. After doing everything, once you think you're ready to go, just click on save here. And after that, once added, your categories can be displayed on your site through the blog menu or linked to custom pages. You can drag and drop the category menu anywhere in your site, customize it to match your design using the settings tab. That's it. You have successfully added a category menu to your Wix website. Like and subscribe for more Wix tutorials.